Friends, in this video we will share with you the roadmap of the World of Trains video game development. A roadmap is very important because it represents a high-level plan by which our project will be implemented. Actually, the video game development process consists of several steps, but today we will discuss actual features which will be delivered to the players. These features will be implemented in step-by-step manner because they will contain parts on which the next step will be based. So, first of all, our team will implement and deliver the Underground Hangar. This is the basic mode from which the whole Gameverse development will begin. Hangar is a customizable virtual environment where the player via his avatar will be able to access several rooms. Entry room of the hangar. Interactions with the metaverse will begin here. Players will have the opportunity to invite friends to their hangars, so the entrance will be also used by them. The headquarters, room where the player will be able to plan his activities by selecting play modes. Metaverse missions like delivering goods, eliminating striding scavengers, exploring new gates, searching for artifacts and blueprints, mining resources, storyline progression, minting NFTs, and much more. The depot, room where locomotives owned by player are located. In this room, the player will be able to explore, customize, upgrade and repair his own locomotives. This room will be the starting point for entering the metaverse on the selected locomotive. Depending on the selected mission, the player will be able to attach the most useful wagons and form a train to increase the chances of successful mission completion. The gallery, room where the player will be able to exhibit his own virtual art including NFTs. Galleries could be freely visited by other players. Actually, you will be able to add more rooms to your hangar via specialized customization tools. You will also be able to configure visual aspects of the interior as well as the furniture and machines which will be used for crafting and upgrading. Please write a comment if you want to know more about those features. The new very big mode is drag racing. This mode will be free to play, but also it will provide the play-to-earn mechanics. In this mode, players will be able to compete with each other in a race on parallel railroad tracks. The winner will be the one who first crosses the finish line or destroys opponents along the way. In this mode, it will be also possible to form a team of your friends to counter other teams. Additionally, championship with prize money will be held. This mode would be interesting to the gamers who like drag racing, shooting mechanics and train simulators. Players will be able to choose which winning condition to enable. So if you like only the racing aspects, you will be able to disable shooting and rely only on mobility characteristics of your locomotive. Also, you will be able to improve your train driving skills by racing to set a speed record or to race against phantoms of your friends or other players. So share your thoughts in the comments if this mode will be interesting for you or not. We will be really glad to know that. Next mode is Arena. In this mode, players will be used specifically created locations to compete with each other by accomplishing special missions, such as the following: Deathmatch, Team Deathmatch, Capture the Flag, Battle Royale, Base Destruction or Protection, and others. This mode will be free to play, but also it will provide the play-to-earn mechanics. In this mode, championships with prize money will be held. This mode would be interesting to gamers who like first-person shooters, role-playing games, and vehicle simulators of locomotives, battle cars, armored vehicles, drones, walking war machines, and even zeppelins. So, what do you think? Is it cool to play in Arena? Please write in the comments. The next mode is Sandbox, where each player will have his own territory or land attached to his own hangar. This territory could be easily edited by the player and used for local terrain formation, railroad track laying, searching for local resource extraction sites, construction of production modules, creating of your custom missions and play modes, positioning and configuring of the local gates, which will lead to external sandbox location, decided by the player. Sandbox could be used in a single or multiplayer modes. Of course, this mode will appeal to gamers who like to build their own worlds and play in them with friends. Will you play in this mode with your friends? Please write in the comments. Next mode is Economy. It will expand Sandbox by adding the economical component and play-to-earn mechanics. Of course, this mode will also be free to play. On this step, Sandbox territory will have a limited amount of resources of different types, which will require the creation of supply chains served by the players and their trains. If you would like to use a train to deliver parts, materials and other resources and make money on it, this is the mode for you. For this mode, special merchants championships with prize money will be developed. This mode will appeal to those who like to achieve success in a relaxed environment by developing their own transportation empires and industrial complexes. And now, the most impressive mode, which is called the Metaverse. In this mode, vast numbers of worlds will be interconnected by the gates and will be accessible by the players in massive online multiplayer game. This mode will be interesting for the players who like the role-playing massive multiplayer games and online metaverses. Is this mode for you? Please write in the comments. So, our introduction to the Worlds of Train metaverse concept is over now. But if you like this video and want to know more about our project and World of Train universe, please subscribe so we will know that our concept is really interesting for you. Also, write your questions in the comments below, because we will be happy to answer or even prepare a new video with the topic that will be interesting for you and your friends. You could also support us by Patreon or by purchasing NFTs, which are already available on the OpenSea. All the useful links I will leave in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.